Hello दोस्तों, welcome to Sarkar Naukri Express. Here you can get regular verified government job updates. For instant notifications, kindly subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Hello friends, this is the reminder video for National Fertilizer Limited recruitment process. So in this video, we are going to once again see the National Fertilizer Limited recruitment process details. So any graduate can apply for this post. Kindly make a note of it. Any graduate can apply for this post. Apart from this, the diploma candidates and BSc candidates who also been eligible for applying this National Fertilizer Limited vacancies. So let me first show you the official advertisement given by them. So this is the official advertisement given by National Fertilizer Limited in the Employment Exchange News. So let me explain the details of the recruitment process. So before getting into the official notification PDF, so first let me give you an overview. So the age limit for applying the post was around 18 to 35. It was varied according to the various posts called for the recruitment process, and the pay level was around 23,000 to 77,000, varied according to the post. So as I said previously, when it comes to qualification, so Bachelor of Science background persons are eligible to apply. In Bachelor of Science, you must have the subject specification of physics or chemistry or mathematics. When it comes to diploma background, you must have a diploma in engineering of mechanical, and then production, and then electrical, and then chemical engineering. So in this post, so for diploma you need to have the background of these streams, that is mechanical, production, electrical, and chemical. So when it comes to graduate, any graduate can apply for this post. And when it comes to the percentage of marks, so it is what about 50% of marks you need to hold in either graduate, so or in the diploma or in the Bachelor of Science according to the post you are applying. So you need to have 50% of marks from the general OBC and economic weaker section candidates, and 45% of marks is needed for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. So this is the official notification PDF released by NFL. So let me tell you what and all the post called for the vacancies. So there was about 6 category of posts have been called for the recruitment process. So the first was junior engineer assistant grade 2. So let me tell you who and all can apply for this particular post. So when it comes to this particular post, you need to have the qualification of a BSc, Bachelor of Science, in either chemistry, physics or maths, or else you need to have hold a diploma, 3 years diploma in chemical engineering. Okay, so when it comes to engineering assistant grade 2, you need to have the diploma in either mechanical or production or electrical background. Okay, so this is for engineering assistant grade 2. So next comes to godown keeper. So when it comes to godown keeper, you must be a graduate or you must be a diploma holder. So in diploma, any stream. In graduate, any stream, you might be a graduate of engineering, you might be a graduate of science. So any stream, any graduate, as well as you might have a specification stream of diploma in any subject. So anyone can apply for this godown keeper post. So when it comes to store assistant grade 2, so you must be a graduate in any discipline. So when it comes to assistant grade 3 for transportation, so you must be a graduate again, and for office assistant grade 3 also you must be a graduate. So as I said here, the age criteria as well as the graduate qualifications has been mentioned here. Let me attach this notification PDF in the description box. So let me give you the application link as well as the notification link in the description box. Kindly download it and make use of it, the opportunity. So since it's a reminder video, I again insisting that this is again a reminder video. So since I am insisting here that this is a reminder video for applying National Fertilizer Limited vacancies. So the last date for applying the post was December 24. So kindly apply. So those who are and all not have applied for the post, kindly make use of the opportunity with the remaining 2-3 days and kindly apply for the post.